Imagine your body as a bustling city. Roads need repair, lights keep the neighborhoods alive, trains keep things moving, and sanitation crews clear away the waste. When these systems falter, everything slows down. Enter peptides, tiny but powerful biological messengers that act like the city's workers, engineers, and repair crews. At Illuminated Peptides, powered by OmniNext Tech, we believe in highlighting the science behind these remarkable compounds. Our mission is simple: bring clarity, balance, and trusted insight to the fast-evolving world of peptide research. Today, let's tour some of the most exciting peptides being studied in 2025. Think of it as both a city tour and a science spotlight: informative, entertaining, and always rooted in research. BPC-157 and TB-500. When it comes to repair, few names attract as much attention as BPC-157 and TB-500. BPC-157 is a synthetic fragment derived from a protein found in gastric juice. TB-500 is a synthetic form of part of thymosin beta-4, a peptide present in nearly every cell. Animal research has been particularly encouraging. Studies show enhanced tendon, ligament, muscle, and even nerve regeneration. Vascular repair and reduced inflammation have also been observed. For TB-500, data highlights improved wound healing, cardiac repair in injury models, and reduced fibrosis. While large-scale human trials are still developing, the global scientific community continues to explore these compounds with growing enthusiasm. At Illuminated Peptides, we see these two as the skilled construction teams of peptide research, laying the groundwork for future breakthroughs. Retatrutide and AOD9604. Think of metabolism as the traffic grid of the body. Signals control appetite, fat storage, and energy flow. Two peptides stand out here: Retatrutide and AOD9604. Retatrutide is the rising star. Acting on three major receptors, GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon, it orchestrates metabolism with precision. In Phase 2 clinical trials, patients experienced up to 24% weight reduction in under a year. That's a number that rivals, and may even surpass, the most advanced metabolic treatments available today. AOD9604, a fragment of human growth hormone, has long been explored for fat metabolism. While effects appear modest, its global research story continues. Different labs have investigated its safety and potential, keeping it in the spotlight as scientists refine understanding of its role. Together, these compounds represent two sides of the spectrum: a groundbreaking next-generation therapy and a veteran under continued study. CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin. Growth hormone has always fascinated researchers for its role in muscle, bone, and metabolic health. Instead of replacing GH outright, peptides like CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin encourage the body to release more of its own supply. CJC-1295 is a long-acting analog of growth hormone-releasing hormone, known for extending GH and IGF-1 release for several days. Ipamorelin is a selective ghrelin receptor agonist, designed to raise GH without many of the side effects seen in older secretagogues. Studies highlight their ability to boost hormone levels safely in the short term, with active clinical curiosity worldwide. At Illuminated Peptides, we see them as the technicians fine-tuning the city's light system, raising brightness where needed without replacing the whole grid. A licensed contractor. Among GH-related peptides, Tesamorelin stands apart with FDA approval. Its specialty? Reducing visceral fat in HIV-associated lipodystrophy, a serious condition marked by abnormal fat distribution. Clinical trials show clear reductions in abdominal fat in this population, giving Tesamorelin a unique, validated place in modern therapy. It is not marketed for weight loss in the general population, but its focused success highlights the potential of peptides when carefully targeted. Cmax and MOTS-c. Two innovative peptides, Cmax and MOTS-c, show how wide peptide research can reach. Cmax, developed in Russia, has been studied for neuroprotection in stroke recovery. It influences gene expression tied to inflammation and healing. While clinical use is primarily in Eastern Europe, global research is expanding. MOTS-c is encoded in the mitochondrial genome, a rare and fascinating feature. Early studies suggest it plays a role in energy regulation, exercise performance, and even longevity. Human trials are underway, sparking excitement in metabolic and aging research circles. Both represent the pioneers of the field, charting new territories in brain health and mitochondrial biology. IGF-1 LR3, GLOW, and CLOW. The cosmetic and vitality side of peptides is just as vibrant. IGF-1 LR3 is a powerful analog of insulin-like growth factor 1. Known for its potent anabolic signaling, it remains a compound under close watch by sports authorities. But research interest in regenerative and cellular repair continues globally. GLOW and CLOW represent a different trend. Branded infusion blends offered by clinics, often combining glutathione, vitamin C, or collagen peptides. While formulations vary, the idea reflects a growing cultural interest in beauty and vitality through advanced biochemistry. At Illuminated Peptides, we encourage a careful look at ingredients and science, while celebrating the creativity driving this space forward. Glutathione and NAD+. Finally, two of the most talked about molecules for vitality, glutathione and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Glutathione is the body's master antioxidant. It plays a vital role in detoxification and immune defense. Oral and topical forms are widely studied, with encouraging data in liver health and cellular protection. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and its precursors, like NR and NMN, are at the heart of energy metabolism and DNA repair. Levels decline with age, but supplementation has been shown to safely restore them in humans. Research is now focusing on what this means for health span and resilience. Together, these molecules are like the sanitation and maintenance departments of the city, keeping systems clean, balanced, and running efficiently. Illuminated Peptides. The world of peptide research is expanding at lightning speed. From tissue repair to metabolism, from brain support to vitality, these compounds are reshaping our understanding of biology. At Illuminated Peptides, powered by OmniNext Tech, we bring clarity to this exciting field. Our standards are built on transparency, science, and a vision for the future. We cut through hype to spotlight what really matters: ongoing research, global use, and the incredible potential peptides hold for tomorrow's discoveries. At Illuminated Peptides, powered by OmniNext Tech, we combine science and technology to light the path forward in peptide research. Trusted, transparent, illuminated, America's #1 choice for research peptides. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in peptide science.